Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. The startup goes through several stages before it achieves product market fit and then scaling. Here are the key steps that come before. The founder establishes the team. This is often driven by a passion or a business opportunity. The founding team develops a vision for the business they will build. This is often improving the customer experience around a current problem. The team envisions a product that provides value to the customer that solves the problem. The team tests the market by talking with customers. This often involves building minimum viable products and prototypes. The team builds an initial version of the product and tests the business model. The goal is to see if the customers use the product and if demand will spread. The team takes the product out to a broader range of customers to check interest. The initial customers are often family and friends, may be biased in their assessment of the product. The team works on the product to achieve product market fit. The goal here is to make sure the product works well for the customer and meets their needs. Consider these steps in establishing a startup for your idea. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us into today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.